Right, well today I'm going to be doing some chicken fajitas, which we're going to be grilling on the monolith outside, the Kamado monolith. What I'm going to do, I've got this chicken that we've got from a supermarket. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to butterfly these open a little bit, just to help them when we're grilling them. They'll just cook a little bit quicker and a little bit more even. So literally just going to butterfly those open a little bit. So we've got a bigger surface area to grill, and we're going to marinate these. So what I'm going to do, let's do another one. Literally turn it over like that. And cut into the deepest part. A sharp knife, mind your fingers. Cut your fingers loads of times with this knife. And just butterfly that back. And that gives us a little bit more area to grill. Right, so I'll do the rest of these and then we'll look at doing the seasoning. Okay, so there's our chicken pieces. I'll zoom in a little bit there. They're all done. So what I'm going to do now is I've just got a seasoning mix. I will put up a recipe on the screen if you want to make your own fajita mix to go over it, but yeah, for now, for ease of use, we're just going to use packet stuff. So if we put that into this bowl, we get a little bit of oil in there, a little bit of water, and so we'll make our own little marinade for that, and then that's sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. Just going to add a little bit of oil in there. Put some water in this. And then we'll mix that together. Right. What we'll do is we drop these into here. Get those with a little bit of that. This is the messy part. The last one. Get those in there and make sure it's well mixed in. Gets onto your chicken breasts. Right, that's good enough. So we'll get the lid on that, and we'll leave that in the fridge to marinate for a couple of hours. Okay, so I'm going to cut up some of these peppers. Got a bit of a Okay, so we're not quite up to 200 yet, we're about 180 odd Celsius. So what I'm going to do is put that there. And I'll start cooking some of our underneath. Now we get the chicken and we're going to lay that on. Right, we've got our chicken in. Let's get this out. We've just got enough to get that on the edge underneath there. Leave that like that. These are going to cook pretty quick, so not sure how long it's going to take, but we'll keep probing the temperature. So we're looking for 165. The chicken. There's no medium chicken or anything like that. You've got to be looking at 165 for it to be done internal temperature. Right, just finishing off these last ones. Temperature, get it in the thickest part. It's going up, it's nearly there, that one. 62. What's in the thickest there? That's probably done a bit. That's done. Yeah, that's pretty much there apart from those two. And we'll get these two off. When you cook, your chicken needs to be cooked. You don't want to overcook it because it'll just go dry. But it needs to be cooked. Poultry is not good to get food poisoning with poultry, so these are nearly there. Another couple of minutes and they will be done. Okay, so here's our chicken, that's all done. I'm going to cut this into some strips. Plenty juicy. Some bite-sized pieces for those fajitas.
¡Claro que sí!